Spend the weekend with me, Pride Edition! Hi guys, this June we are celebrating Pride Month, so I'm sending love to everyone in the community. I wish that may you always live without fear, love freely, and never silence our truth for someone else's comfort. For this weekend, pupunta tayong Vice Comedy Club. I always wanted to go here pero never nagka-chance. Buti na lang nakita namin yung post ng Adonis Prod House for their Here Comes the Pride event. Apparently, it's their first ever Pride drag brunch, and to be honest, first time ko rin mag-attend ng drag brunch bilang hindi ako morning person. But as someone used to witnessing drag events only at night, I felt like this is a new experience worth trying. We arrived at 10 a.m. and nagulat kami kasi medyo mahaba na yung pila sa labas, but it makes me happy kasi it really shows how supportive the community is to these kinds of events. And not gonna lie, for the price of 1,600 pesos, with their lineup plus yung kasama na lunch, I'd say super sulit talaga. We witnessed performances from Bombading, Brigading, Shawarma, Kiana, Arizona Brandy, Angel, Russia Fox, Vinyas Deluxe, Precious Paula Nicole, Javot G, and guys, my ultimate bias, Bernie. Love na love ko si Bernie, guys. This is me na super OA kasi bineso niya me. I'm so happy. After that, we went to Candle Cafe para magmerienda, pero dumaan muna kami sa harap ng bahay ni Kuya para sabihin na ibalik ang syukla, eme. From QC, lumipat kaming Pasay para mag-IKEA and KKV. Ang cute talaga ng mga items sa KKV. I initially wanted to buy a mug pero wala akong nagustuhan, walang nag-spark ng joy. So I ended up buying these cutie magnets instead. We ate dinner at Gilligan's and umuwi na kami after to end this long day. May we not forget that Pride is not only a celebration but is a protest. Panawagan natin ay pantay na pagtingin sa LGBTQIA+ community sa mata ng batas para sa karapatang pantao, pagkakapantay-pantay at malayang pagmamahalan. Let's continue to fight for our rights, stop trans killings, and pass the SOGI bill now. Happy Pride, guys!